Mukhang hindi ko na kailangan purihin tong kotse na to kasi marami ng testigo kung gaano katibay at ka-reliable to. This is the 2024 Toyota Vios XLE Automatic with only 18,000 kilometers, parang brand new pa. And under the hood, meron ka 1.3 liter 4-cylinder dual VVTi CVT transmission gasoline engine na super reliable, napakatibay, basic maintenance, yun lang. At in-improve na rin ni Toyota yung aesthetics dito sa kotse na to. Updated headlights, meron kang LED fog lamps at sharper lines dito. At meron ka na rin makakapal na gulong at 15 inches two-toned alloy wheels na napaka-pogi. At sa pinakalikod, syempre, for your safety, meron siyang rear sensor, rear camera at maluwag na trunk space. At sa cabin, in-improve na nila yung design. Meron kang intact na headliner, stylish na fabric seats, may mga audio controls ka na dito, analog and digital display, touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, 2 cup holders, automatic transmission with manual shifting mode. At ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa Vios, napaka-spacious na niya, taka-move backwards yung upuan ko, may car seat pa sa likod. At itong coaching to, open for cash, trade-in and financing for only 585,000 pesos lang. Peace out!